We need to appreciate trucks more, and here's why. Trucks are the superheroes of logistics. No capes, just diesel. Your online shopping addiction? Trucks. That avocado toast you Instagrammed? Trucks. They've got your back 24/7, even at 2 a.m. when you're craving tacos. Zombie apocalypse? Grab a truck and you will survive. These giant metal pack mules never complain, unlike your friend who whines about carrying groceries. Without trucks, civilization collapses. So hit that like button if you agree trucks deserve way more credit.